Write a short note on Central Advisory Board. The Central Advisory Board is constituted under Section 8 of the Minimum Wages Act 1948. It is a statutory body established by the central government to advise both the central and state governments on matters relating to minimum wages and to coordinate the work of state advisory boards. According to Section 8(1) of the Minimum Wages Act 1948, the central government is under a legal obligation to appoint a central advisory board. Functions of the Central Advisory Board. The Central Advisory Board performs the following functions: A. To advise the central government and state governments on matters relating to the fixation and revision of minimum rates of wages. B. To advise the central and state governments on other matters arising under the Minimum Wages Act 1948. C. To coordinate the work of the advisory boards appointed by the state governments under Section 7 of the Minimum Wages Act 1948. Thus, the board helps maintain uniformity and consistency in wage policies throughout the country. Composition of the Central Advisory Board. According to Section 8(2) of the Minimum Wages Act 1948, the Central Advisory Board consists of first representative of employers and employees. The central government appoints persons representing employers in scheduled employments and employees in scheduled employments. The number of employers representatives and employee representatives must be equal. Second, independent members. The board may also include independent persons, but their number shall not exceed one third of the total number of the members of the board. Chairman of the board. The chairman is appointed by the central government from among the independent members of the board. Purpose of the Central Advisory Board. The main objectives of the board are to assist in fixing fair minimum wages, to provide expert advice to governments, to ensure coordination among state advisory boards, to protect the interests of both employers and employees. Illustration: suppose the central government proposes a revision in minimum wages for workers employed in scheduled industries. The matter may be referred to the Central Advisory Board, which will examine the proposal and advise the government accordingly. Conclusion: thus, the Central Advisory Board, under Section 8 of the Minimum Wages Act 1948, is an advisory body constituted by the central government to advise on wage fixation, wage revision, and to coordinate the activities of state advisory boards.